Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to schedule message in Telegram. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone and then go in a private chat, group chat or channel conversation, and I'll go with my group chat. And then after you go to the group chat, the room chat, you can type your chat that you want to schedule. And then if you want to schedule the message, don't tap or click the send button instead, but you have to click and hold this send button. Remember, you have to tap and hold. All right. And then you can click schedule message right here. And pick a date and time when you want the schedule message to be sent automatically. Like this. You just have to scroll your screen, and then after you pick your time that you want to schedule the message, you have to click on it. Click send. Alright guys, that's how you can schedule message in Telegram. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!